Yo, what's up YouTube? This is Cuss over here at Custom Made Barbershop in Jacksonville. And today I got a video on a new gadget that I just got in the mail. I just got from Amazon. So y'all stay tuned and I'm gonna give y'all everything that y'all need to know about this special airbrush machine that I got. Okay? Stay tuned. Okay, now check this out. This is the newest gadget to my barber arsenal. And the only reason I purchased this is out of desperation, okay? That master airbrush kit that I had before, that I recently made a video about, it got jammed up on me. I actually don't think I was cleaning it out the way I was supposed to. But when I got this machine right here, I realized the reason why my master airbrush machine was giving me issues. And I'm gonna let you know at the end of the video, okay? Now I just got this in the mail from Amazon. I paid about $47 for this machine. And let me tell you, this is one of the best investments I've made as far as the airbrush. Okay, so when I purchased my master airbrush machine or airbrush kit, I did not know what a good airbrush machine was and what a bad airbrush machine was. So that was all I knew about the airbrush, okay? And let me tell you something. This right here changed my mind about the whole thing. Now, I strongly recommend the master airbrush kit because it's very affordable and it does everything that you need to do with it as far as barbering and making sure your lines are crispy and precise. It does a great job, but this right here is way more convenient. I like this tool better. And before I get started in the video, I want you guys to check out YouTube Barber Academy. It's a guy that has a channel here on YouTube, and he did a very good review of this product right here. That's actually the reason why I bought this actual airbrush gun, was because of his review. He did a really good job, so I want to shout out to him. And of course, shout out to Barber Illuminati. We can't forget that. Barber Illuminati in the building, y'all. So shout out to Barber Illuminati and YouTube Barber Academy. Y'all go check those two out, okay? On YouTube. All right, now check it out. So this airbrush machine right here comes with a double trigger, okay? This little button right here is on button, okay? So when you press that button, it actually turns the airbrush machine on, and you can kind of feel some air coming out of the machine. And when you press this little trigger right here, this is when the actual die comes out, okay? So it's a double trigger. So without pressing this right here, if you just go straight here and press the trigger, nothing will happen, okay? So you actually have to turn the machine on, and it is a wireless device. And from there, you can go ahead and hit the trigger and start spraying, okay? This nozzle right here that holds the actual Kiss Express solution is very small compared to what you would get from a master airbrush kit, but it's okay because it's enough to where you can just keep adding more solution and it'll work fine, okay? So this is not too small to where you couldn't, you know, work on a few clients or spray a few clients up before you had to, excuse me. So this is not small enough to where you wouldn't be able to spray a few clients before, you know, having to add more solution. So this is plenty of room or plenty of space to where you could fill it up to the top and still be able to maneuver and use it without having to keep going back and filling it up. Okay, now this airbrush machine actually comes with a USB charger, and okay, so it comes with this male charging piece right here, and it actually hooks right up to this right here, and it hooks up to a USB slot, so you can use your phone charger to actually plug this into. And the charge time on here, I didn't really pay attention. As soon as I got it in the mail, I actually plugged it in. It was plugged in for a little while, and then I started using it, so I didn't know how long it actually took to charge. I really don't know how long it holds charge. But, you know, I doubt that you'll be using it so much to where it actually run out of life on you. But if it does, I'm sure that, you know, it wouldn't take long to charge up. And I also still have my master airbrush gun. So that'll actually, if I needed to airbrush somebody and this wasn't working, I can always go resort back to my master airbrush kit. And like I said, that works fine now. Okay, now let me tell you, the reason why I had to replace my master airbrush and buy this is because I was actually one day cleaning out the master airbrush kit, and I actually put the trigger into the master airbrush kit backwards. So when I got this airbrush, I looked at the trigger and I noticed that the grooves on the actual trigger was facing forward and not backwards. Okay, so I went back in, switched the trigger around on my master airbrush kit, and it started working just fine, like nothing was wrong with it. So I actually got 2 airbrush machines that are functional, that work properly, and you know, I'm all good. So you know, I got, you know, more equipment, I guess. So I did not need to replace my master airbrush kit, just so you guys know. It is still a good piece of equipment, but I just rather this because it is very, very convenient. You don't have to worry about wires. You don't have to worry about getting tangled in wires and stuff like this. Once you get this charged up and you go ahead and start spraying, you all good, okay? So y'all go ahead and I'm gonna give y'all okay, so what I'm gonna do is go ahead and give y'all a demonstration of this airbrush gun. I don't have much solution mixed up right now, so what I'll do is pause the video, get back to you, and start spraying and let you guys see how well this equipment works. Okay, we're back, and I actually just put some Kiss Express solution in here. I'm gonna turn the machine on, and I got my little piece of paper right here, so I'm actually start spraying so you guys can actually look. Like I said, when you turn the trigger on, it actually blows out of the airbrush. So it only starts to spray when you go ahead and press the trigger. Now I'm pressing the trigger, and this shows you how well this piece of equipment airbrushes. So like I said, this is a very good airbrush machine. It sprays very evenly. It's not so hard to get the solution out, man. Like I said, I prefer this over the master airbrush kit because it's actually much more convenient. I personally like this better because of the convenience, and I think it actually sprays more evenly. I prefer this. So if I had to decide between this and any other airbrush gun, I would actually go for this. So this is what it does. This is how it works. I think I did a pretty good job of explaining this. If you like this video, go ahead and hit like, subscribe. Shout out to Barber Illuminati and everybody else that have been supporting my channel. Oh yeah, and anybody on YouTube, shout out to you, because I'm starting to realize that this channel is growing, but this is one of those things that if you have a YouTube channel, let me tell you, man, it actually takes a lot out of your day to be able to maintain a YouTube channel, and that's why when people subscribe and comment and interact, it lets you know that you're doing something good, because you know, this could be very time consuming, recording and editing the videos and trying to find music and stuff to put over the video. So all of you guys that are supporting the channel, thank you, thank you, thank you. I can't thank you enough. And I know I say, you know, subscribe, like, share, and comment a lot, but that's because I'm putting in a lot of time and a lot of work into this. And whatever you dedicate your time to throughout the day, you definitely want to see it working. So I appreciate all you guys showing me love. Peace, and I'll see y'all next time.